Hey guys, in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to use AI to actually enhance, guys, low quality photos such as this. Look at this blurry apple. I'm going to enhance this for you. I'm going to show you. We're going to remove the blurriness and actually make it look actually clear, crystal clear, guys. So I've downloaded the image right here. You can see. So I'm going to just take this image and drag it here, or you can just browse through your file explorer like that. So right now it's waiting. This data says waiting 80%. Okay, it's ready to process. So now the resolution is this, and it's gonna basically, okay, this is our current input. Okay, 0.1 megapixel. It is going to improve this and make this 1.3 megapixels. Okay. Okay, let's have a look here. We're gonna use Smart Enhance. We don't need digital art. We can leave it at auto light. Yeah, these are okay. We don't need to remove any background. Okay, guys, we can start processing right here. Okay, guys, if you make this free account on this AI, they give you 10 free credits to use. Okay, so now it's processing right here. It says it'll be about a few minutes, but it's actually just about a few seconds, and we'll see how much better this Apple looks. This is how it looks right now. Let's see how it's gonna look soon. All right, let's see. Once it's oh wow, that is pretty good, guys. So you can just download this right here by clicking on download, or you can also download it without the watermark. I think that requires a paid plan, but this is good for a trial to show you how actually it works, right? And then you can download it using the paid plan. Oh wow, guys, look at that. So they you can actually just crop this out, right? You can just crop this out because this is what watermark is right here. And crop this part out and use this image. This image looks much more clearer, guys, as you can see. If you compare, definitely cleaner. Anyways, guys, so if this video helps, make sure you hit that like button, comment down below what your thoughts are. Maybe you have better ways. Until next time, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel so I can see you guys in the next video.